Today I wake up to this sound of silence. To follow your soul, it knows the way. Look deep in nature and then you will understand everything better. Don't think too much, just do what makes you happy. For me, it's traveling. Hello friends, this is Piali welcoming you to my Kalimpong Diaries Day 2. Kalimpong is a very small and walkable city and we are staying with Majestic Orchid Retreat. It is located far from city crowd near Wooten House. And today's plan is to visit Changi Falls, Kolakham, Lava. Also, we heard about that Lava Monastery is closed. Hello friends, now we are going to Changi Falls. It is almost 45 kilometers from Kalimpong, and weather is drastically changing and it's really cold here and cloudy, drizzling, and this view beautiful. Let me show you guys. Do you ever just stop and take a breath and look around? I am amazed at the little things. This heart of mine was made to travel this world. It is not the destination where you end up, but the mishaps and memories you create along the way. Now let me update you about the sudden change of plan as we are going to Rishabh first, which is nearby to Lava, only 9 kilometers, and it will take 30 minutes and it's approximately 27 kilometers from Kalimpong.
We meet right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? What?
Rishabh is tranquil, small village in the lap of mountains. The majestic view of snow-capped Kanchenjunga is viewed from this evergreen village, which we miss due to foggy weather, but this monsoon charm is also mesmerizing.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning
And here comes my cute little pie.
you and me alone.
This newly found hamlet has its own story to tell. Prettily picturesque postcard type of feeling you will get here. It is around 33 km from Kalimpong and will take around 2 hours. It's only 9 to 10 kilometers from Lava. Some quiet, cute little hotels and cozy homestays are here to serve you. The most famous one is Sleeping Buddha. Hello friends, now we are in Rishabh. This Rishabh valley is very small, kind of quiet, and we couldn't see the Kanchenjunga over here because of the clouds. And now we are proceeding towards Changi Falls, which is in Lava.
Kolakam actually. Then we'll do the lunch over there. So let's go.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need, right?
The journey towards Changi Falls is full of ups and downs. Since the road is not well maintained during monsoons, but the view during this journey can compensate for the rough road. And there is a quote saying, "It's a tough road that leads you to the heights of greatness." And our journey to Changi Falls lived up to the quote. Now we have to trek 900 meters from the last motorable point in order to reach the falls. I don't know where I am going, but I'm on my way. मुझे ऐसी जगहों में सुकून मिलती है. Cause when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing. It's really scary. Trekking down in this season is very risky. Continuously raining. Although I can hear the sound of these waterfalls from here, I can't deny this call, which gives me a strength now.
Hello friends, now I'm in front of this waterfall that is magnificent, it's huge. I can't even tell you how excited I am. This is beyond my imagination. This is actually huge. And the taking down was really difficult. I'm really glad that I could achieve it, and thank you Sandeep. This is huge.
Falling from a height of 400 feet, it is said that the waterfall goes through two prior stages, locally known as Tiffin Dhara and Ghanti Dhara. Changi Fall is one of the wonders of nature surging amidst valley of Kalimpong and 14 kilometers from Labha. Waterfalls have impressive power and beauty of nature, shimmering and falling, breaking into 1,000 sheds of spray. Crushing water scares and attracts souls. Now it's time to return, and I will recommend at least keep 3 hours in your hand to complete this entire Changi Falls trekking up and down.
Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Kolakam is the perfect gateway for those who looking for pristine mountain wilderness. In the lap of Neura Valley National Park, Kolakam offers stunning views of the mighty pine trees. This quaint hamlet offers picturesque views which is unforgettable.
Wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
We stopped at this amazing viewpoint to witness sunset. From this point, a small lane goes down to Lolegaon.
Onto your face, pretty sweet sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
The sky speaks in 1,000 colors. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn, right? When I admire the wonders of sunset, my soul expands in the worship of the Creator. And it took us almost 2 hours to reach the hotel from here.
And now we are back in our hotel. It's getting cold now. This is the end of this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada.